In this video, we'll learn how to add links and file downloads as resources, and also how to hide empty topic sections. When adding resources in the ORC, you want to make sure you're adding them to the right community. Here we are at the ORC main page, but I want to add them to the community that I have access to, which is Technology, Integration, Support, and Services. You would be adding them to whichever community that you control. Here we are at the home page for Technology, Integration, Support, and Services. You'll notice that you see a box with some resources in it. These ones are pertaining to iPads. Remember that those are here. At the top of the screen, click the big Resources button. This will bring you to the complete list of resources. Anything that is in Topic 1 is what showed up on the front page. That's why the iPads is showing up here again. Below that, we see several other groups of resources. These are known as topics. In order to make any kinds of changes to this page, we need to come up here and click Turn Editing On. To add a resource, go under any topic and click the Add a Resource button. From the drop-down menu, select Link to File or Website. In this first example, we'll be linking to an external website. First, give the resource a name. This is the name that will show up when the person clicks the link. In this box, you can add a description of the link if you like. For our example, we're just going to link to the ASU homepage, so I'll just write that in this box. Right here is where you place the actual URL that you want the link to take you to. Be careful that you don't list HTTP twice. This Force Download button doesn't apply to websites, but we do want to click the drop-down under Window and tell it to open in a new window. When you're done, click Save and Return to Course. When it finishes saving, it will take you back to the home page for your community. But if you go back up to Resources, scroll down, and you can see the resource that you just added, the link to ASU's website. If you click it, it will open ASU's website in a new browser window because we told it to open in a new window. Now let's add a new type of resource. Let's have someone download a file rather than visit a website. Click on Link to File or Website. Then we'll give this file a name as well. Right here I'll add a description of what kind of file you're downloading. Now instead of pasting a URL in here, we want to choose or upload a file. That will open this window with a list of files that I've uploaded in the past. I could choose any of these files by clicking on Choose on the right, but I want to upload a new file, so I'll click Upload a File. Click the Browse button and locate the file you want to upload. Then click Upload this file. The PDF I just uploaded will show up in this list now, but in order to choose that file, you need to click Choose on the right hand side. Now we want to click the Force Download button so that they'll download the file rather than trying to open it in a browser. We can leave all these other settings and click Save and Return to Course. Again, now that we saved, we're brought back to the home page. But if we go back to the resources section, we'll see the resource we just added called download a file. And if we click it, it will prompt us to download the file. At the bottom of your resources page, you might have all these empty topics. We don't want them to show up to the students. So let's hide them. Make sure that you turn editing on. Now you'll see a list of icons on the right-hand side next to each topic. This eyeball icon is the option to hide this topic. Make sure to click Hide on all of your empty topics so that they won't show up. When you're done, you can turn editing off again.